Hello, science students. This is uh, the video to go with slide 4 in Digital's notebook number 1. The purpose of this is to explain how to use these slides and give you an example of what these sort of help videos are going to be for. So this slide right here, you can kind of see, describes what digital notebooks are about. So that usually the top half will be content, there'll be an activity in the second half, or it'll be all content or all activity depending upon how much information is being provided. There isn't one for this slide, but if there is a supporting video that explains how to, explains the content. So besides just reading, there's a video to watch that would be on the left. There isn't one for this one. If there's a reading activity, so in this case, you need to underline one of the important terms in the text. That will be described over here, as well as any manipulatives like the line. And then at the bottom, there's an activity. So 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks. Your job is to put in the notebook slides in order, so you can actually drag these around. Keeping in mind that anything you leave on the sides, I can't see when you turn it in. So you got to make sure that you move things around so that they're visible. Otherwise, I know that you didn't complete the slide. Otherwise, generally speaking, in a digital notebook, there's going to be a title slide, a uh, vocab practice slide. In this case, you're going to make a concept map around the word science. We'll explain more about that later. And then this will be slide 4, the first actual content slide. We're going to be learning something new and doing a little activity. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. In the future, these videos will be found at the top of the page if they are present to help you figure out how to complete these activities. Thank you for watching.